If you're looking for a beginner-friendly camera that delivers impressive quality without feeling complicated, the XNSIAKXA DC226 8K digital camera might surprise you. Look at description for link for best price. This camera combines an ultra-sharp 88 megapixel photo resolution with 8K video recording, so your pictures come out detailed and your videos look crisp and vibrant. The autofocus system works quickly. Just half-press the shutter, and it locks focus, making it easy to capture clear shots even if you're still learning photography. What many users love most is the dual lens design, which lets you switch between front and rear cameras for selfies, vlogging, or regular photography without extra equipment. The 3.2-inch touchscreen makes everything simple. Just tap to focus, adjust settings, and shoot. For video creators, the built-in 6-axis stabilization helps reduce shake, so handheld clips look smoother and more professional. Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to transfer photos and videos directly to your phone using the app, making social media uploads fast and convenient. The 16x digital zoom gives flexibility when capturing distant subjects, while features like slow motion, time-lapse, and scene modes make creative shooting easy for beginners. Even in lower light, the built-in flash helps maintain good brightness. Another big advantage is the included accessories: 2 batteries, a charging stand, and a 32 GB memory card, so you can start shooting right away without extra purchases. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, recording travel memories, or just upgrading from your smartphone camera, this model offers strong performance at an affordable price. If you want an easy-to-use camera that handles photos, vlogs, and everyday content smoothly, check out the Amazon purchase link in the description and see if this is the right fit for you.